Hello and welcome to the new video. Today I'm going to show something different than before. I'm going to explain or give some tips how to speed up your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Both of them are the same. So let's go started. I just wrote here like 5 steps and I will show you how to do it. Okay, first step, which is restart Windows Explorer. Of course, this is not to speed up the Windows, but from time to time, Windows have a lot of bugs and many times it just hangs. So what you can do if you just have a freezed Windows in Windows 10 or Windows 11, just click Control Shift Escape, or you can go to the taskbar, go to the task manager. If you click here, just sort it by the name and say Explorer. Go down, scroll down till you find Windows Explorer. Why it's not sorted? Okay, so where is it? Where it should be? Explorer. Okay. Windows Explorer, it should be here. Okay, see this one. So it's under the Windows processes. I have 113 process. Just click here, restart, and it will work fine. Then the freezing or the hanging will be over because you are restarting the core service of Windows that shows all these, because the Explorer means the service that create the Windows, create the taskbar, all of this. So this is not for speeding up. Again, this is just if you have a hang process. Now, speed up the process. We have one more, which is like a step. We have the second process is stop the background running application. How you can do this? Here, do background application apps. Just click here. It will open the settings windows for you, and you will see how many background that I have. Okay, to be honest, do I need the alarms or clock? No. Do I need the feed hub? No. Get help? Not too much, honestly. Groovy music? No. HP, yes, because these are very important for the hardware. Messaging, I have the SIM card, but I don't need it. Maps will slow down a lot because it keep connecting how to say it, to update your location. Mail, calendar, it depends on you. Mobile plan, movies or TV, Netflix, why I need it to run in the background. Print 3D, I don't have. What else? Security, I need, I don't have an Xbox, so I need this to be run. Okay, these processes will keep, first of all, will assign a memory for these processes, which means that your memory will be less. This is one, and of course it will keep updating, means that you will lose a little bit of the processing power just for this. Your phone, I don't need it, so I think this will reduce as much as you can because it will consume memory and the CPU. This is the second process, or the second step. Third step, it's power option PCI Express. Okay, if you come to power, to the power management, click on the battery settings, and go to the power and the sleep settings. In your right side, you will have additional power settings. Okay, now this is the plan which I have HP optimized, which is recommended. You click change plan settings. You click here, you will go to the change advanced power settings. Okay, there are many steps below, but you have to follow all of them. Go down to the PCI Express and I will explain. Link state power management. Okay, on battery, it was a maximum power saving, which means that the power will be reduced till the minimum, which means that the CPU processing will be less than usual. So I did it moderate power, or you can put it off, depends of what you want. Plugged in, this is the most important, because here you don't care about the power, you care about the performance. So just turn it off. If it's on, just turn it off. Go down, and there is one more thing that you have to do it, which is the cooling. What is the cooling? Power management. Yeah, here in the power processor power management, and the cooling, make it passive, because if it's active, you will hear a lot of the noise, like the noise of the fan for the CPU will be huge, will be so loudly. Maximum process on the battery 70%, maximum processor state like 70%. Keep it 70, you don't need more than this. For the minimum 5%, so just keep this as it is. Apply. Okay, this is the third step. Fourth step, error and optimization drive. Go to the Windows Explorer, go to my computer, this PC. On the C drive, right click properties, then you go to the tools. Here you have two things. You can run it, check for the error, and optimize the hard disk. Both of these will speed up a little bit, especially the optimizing your computer drive, because it will try to, not re-indexing, but will manage the data inside the drive in a better way. And if there is some, like, for check for the errors, if there are some errors, you will, like, we will just read of it. It will take a little bit time to finish the check the errors, and it will take a huge time, maybe like hours, just to finish the optimization and the defragment drive. All right, so just since I started, I'm not going to stop it. The third one, which is fast startup. All right, fast startup. You go here, just type what fast startup do. What is fast startup do? Just to explain it to you, I'm here from the Windows documentation. It says that if you have fast startup in Windows 10 that allow the computer to start up faster after the shutdown. When you shut down your computer, the fast startup will put your computer into hibernate state instead of the full shutdown. What does it mean? That your laptop will not be 100% switched off, which means within a time your laptop needs to reboot in order to fix some errors, to fix some updates or whatever. So you need the real shutdown, not only hibernate. All right, so how can I stop the fast startup? Go to the power again, power settings, and then go to power and sleep settings, additional power settings, then choose what we need to do. Choose what to do with the power buttons do. Here you have turn on, turn off fast startup. It's recommended. You see that it's disabled. Just click here, then do this one, save changes, and it will be done. And of course, if you want to add the hibernate from here, you can, like, if you go to do the switch off here, you will see these three. Now you can add more, the hibernate manually, by clicking here, then you will see it. Okay, these are the 5 tips that I wanted to show you in this video. I hope you will like it. I hope it will be useful for Windows 10 and Windows 11. That's all. Please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.